Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Sinh of 2x, cos squared of x, cos of x, sinh of x. Okay, so if we've got to differentiate sinh of 2x, if you remember how to differentiate sine 2x, you take the 2 and you put it in front. So it's the same idea with this. So this will just become 2 cos of 2x using the chain rule. You could let u be equal to 2x and do it that way. B, if you want to do d dx of cos cubed x, it's better to think of it as d dx of cos x all cubed. Now what you do with the chain rule, you take the 3, you bring it down in front, write down the function and reduce the power by 1. And then you differentiate inside the brackets. The differential cos x is actually sinh x. And then we're going to rewrite the answer as 3 cos squared x sinh x. Okay, the last one is a product, so we need to use the product rule. So cos x times sinh x, so that's type uv. So it's going to be u, which is cos x, times the derivative of v, which is actually cos x, plus the v, which is sinh x, times the derivative of u, which is sinh x. So that's just going to give me cos squared x plus sinh squared x. Okay, please note that's not equal to 1. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to differentiate hyperbolic functions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.